Alright, so you're here with a headlight restoration video with Prime Mobile Detailing. Welcome. Thanks for clicking. As we can see, we're dealing with a headlight here, man. It's very, very out of it. Let's get a close up on this thing. Very oxidized, very fogged up. We got our light on just to kind of help see how foggy it is, man. We're gonna try to restore this thing with a one-step polish. We gotta prep our surface. So after doing a thorough exterior wash, you want to make sure you clay bar over your headlight on our clay. So we're gonna get started with this. Let me go ahead and piece it up. So we can go with some about like that. We have our clay luber by Chemical Guys. So just make sure we do a couple sprays on each side, and then you're gonna also spray the surface as you go up and down. Nope, don't put any pressure. Just let the clay do the work. It's gonna remove all the contaminants that's embedded into the headlight. And it's okay to be generous with the lube as you're going. So we're gonna remold. We're going to apply just a little iron remover, just to make sure you don't know if this vehicle and what parts of the country it's been in, but it is an older vehicle, so we want to let that iron remover come in and remove even more contaminants from the headlight and the iron that may be caught in and we don't see. Still see the fog, good portion right there. See that? So we're going to use our one-step true one-step correction glaze, polish and protection, high gloss finish. So it's good for RVs, boats, but it's a secret. You can also use this on your headlights now. It has a little bit of cut and a little bit of polish. We also have just a straight polish, no cut. If you want to get a brighter finish, I'm going to see if it's needed. You might be okay with just doing the true one step. It gives you a little bit of polish and a little bit of compound with a little bit of cut. So we're going to try it. We're going to try just this. We're going to see if it needs that. Just a straight polish. Let's go ahead and use 6 dots in there. Let's go ahead and spread it on, flop it on, and then spread it on. Put it on the lowest RPM, 1, spread it. Exhaust 38, V38, no cuts, polish. So switch it out. Put the polishing pad, wash it off. Spread it. See what happens when we go another level up in the grit. Let's do our V34. It came with got a little bit more grit in it, so let's see if we can get any better with lift here. Lots it on. Looks a lot different. Let's now go over with the polish just to make it right over the